Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rasha P dak Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendaila Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po Shillong. Wan bantit ya ka Kali Datsun ready go batamai ka baskem bat bidor.
Shisngi hadin ba unong yalam jong kaliang persya, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, ula keno persya ya ka sorkar, baka day ka ba ailat ban pelaj, ya ka jingti bat shalan beain, ya udoyong narilum jentia syabar jong ka jela. Na kaliang jong usumbut menteri rangba ka sorkar jela, uba preston tinsong, ula ong baka ni ka jing keno jong u Dr. Mukul Sangma, kaday ka bamdon nongrim. Habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV, uba preston ulaong ba u Dr. Mukul Sangma umla ban syutai pop, baka don ka jingya sela nari-nari halor ka jing syam jong u. Haba watang ya ka jing jurib ru 4 dep pura. La ban kedew hang ni, u Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalahir jurib ya u doyong syakas nong kli rangna, kabadon Hasangpung West Jaintia Hills District, haka arpu pratrik urisau arhazar arpo. Bat ula kamru, ba ula lam, ba udoyong, ubadon hagani kejaka, uday ubadang syudepti, daka jingya selalang jong kibriu kibadon hakabor.
Leader opposition uday bersutu ya kawe ke jisya, bat kata ke jisya ke lomba. Hadin mingla lut ya kita ki proses berokoj, hakaba ngin create ru ya kene ke dumping ground, ban kolek ya kene ki dewyong barok, kibadon haki Hakini ki mines ki baper ki balong far away from the main road, far away from the village, ki balak man ya 3 hours 4 hours de u leader of opposition ngatrai ulek menin tang harut road surok de ba pilai ya road surok be pinong bom don deuyong haba mentang ong pi ya ka daga dumping ground ka bangingi prepare ka action plan ru ka taruh ngan yo thu ep kaban haban approve syua da ka NGT but hadin mila de bekan rengkat bat kai cooling dia den ngin sale ka auction but hadin mila create ya kata dumping ground kolongba kito kidoyong kibadon seklau sebetam kinwan ra anta borokhoi katkum kata ka rough assessment kabala deplek mansua ka bapoi hadu 32 lakhs menteri kan dia andal adep kata ngau pikin sonra dengan try hak kata kepuar dengan ong you leader of opposition bodon burong jangi bau slate pek kadon nem kosto kata kade koi de komo pin re pin poi again to a conclusion tang namar ba phile yat nas main road menin ba pin ong ba mdon deuyong dengan try kata kala bakala namar u deuyong umdon harus lo u deuyong hi ki extracted coal ki don sheki tu ki jaka ki bakiti seklau sebetam kaba komo pi banwarna kabampor teng argenta lai genta sau genta kadang jengai de nang ka daw ngong pi ngamti ULO menin uya chenu hadu kanu ya kijat lani kanu kai musong kali kadon nem ka sau genta sang genta bahab ya deep inside namar kade ki sinjokol kade seklau ba seklau sa de kita ki de ki komo pi nga therefore kabang ngamut banong ba as a responsible leader of opposition don't just jump to a conclusion. Please, before doing that, do your detailed homework well, and then you give us in writing. As I said, give us in writing. Then action will be taken accordingly. But just playing game in the press or in the media like this, I think there is no solution at all. That is my views, my expression, and then even not only that, with a request to the honorable leader of opposition or any concerned citizen of the state, let us act responsibly. You're saying about a delay tactic done by the state government as far as auction of coal is concerned. In fact, kani kamday ban ongka kamha pa jurisdiction juni. Because ka Supreme Court komo pi kala ai order baka coal India ka sale ka kam but ya kataru under the supervision jong ka NGT but ki meetings kanu telishu ki ba na kalian state government ka coal India ki syong bat ka NGT di hadu menta kam patkut kaneka meeting ke syong ke jing prepare gini ki action plan thik pathik kani kadang ya chekman they please again hakabade when issue don't come to a conclusion bangi ngile kata dealing tactics rengi kwa ban le no wood ban dispose of ban action no then the yakani komopi ultimately we are subjected to the approval of the NGT. The NGT has to ultimately approve the action plan of how we going to dispose of to auction the coal of about 32 lakhs metric tons in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore the question of delaying tactics does not arise. All information is already displayed in the website of Mining and Geology Department. What are the criteria? What are the documents required? Begitu ki interested party bakin apply, then the process of mining lease will start. The komopi yakata ngila de display nang tangla pelong ru ka kenja workshop ka kenja awareness program ha borok ki ne ki area ki badong ki coal belt ki district ki badong ki coal belt haman ki district ni pelong ni kene kenja workshop kumno bagi pajba kin sutu kitu ki badon deuyong ladi ki badon ke jaka ajuki ki badon deuyong ladi ki long ki kwa banle na kota mining of coal bakin apply kat kumka kendon kabalakdon lamba jongka sarkar India. Tapi kini berkhait nak liang managing mining and geology department kila lelut kila bu haka website but kila don haka public domain haka bak kino ki bakwa ban apply ia ke mining list kila ban le kita. Kawai kedai ka kisi school yakini kedai ki le lamba jong ki district administration yakini kisi school ka ekabajia hadin belasis nakaliang jong ka administration ki ailat bakitu ki briu ki ba ngingisi siu doyong bakin wan ya kaban claim ladejia bakin claim ni hap serenda sepok akut but ngin simpan ekodan kakut ka ong okay auction no nomor ba there is no one who claim bagi kini ki doyong de jong ua ubi ukeudi te on the basis jong kata te ngisa kakut dangi sayo ko dan kakut bat kan district court kisah ong ba auction no inu doyong kalau belum saupo hajar kalau belum hajar kalau belum sanpo hajar makriton kat belum de on the basis jong ka direction ka bawan nakakut pada ka government kamu ke mining and geology kasa auction ya kitu doyong bat ia kabayat menta kita kisi school ki bala ai oda daka good ha ki district ba perda ka kamram jong ka opposition ka dei ban long tu mai tenat mentau leader of opposition ulai inspection man ke jaka bat na trai 40 dia ke inspection dengan namlah ban ong rei u ai no ka press lagi sya ulai lut sya inspection bro hoi you kitu ki site ki badon ka ka mining ki coal mining area ka da badon yung kabalut sya bro hoi nang taun ai report yang iru ni kwa ta ban yo ta report kaba leader of opposition mutai kana mangiru accordingly we will take action. That is the point number 1. Then point number 2, criminal conspiracy. Ngam sutu, what does it mean by saying criminal conspiracy done by the government? Te kumong ong epi ngang akwa bansyong takawai. We are waiting for the report. Okay, because now the leader of opposition himself is conducting inspection to all these areas. So still I don't just believe in the statement he made through the media or through the press. So I am sure, being a responsible leader of opposition, he will also give us some report and his finding whatever, so that action will be taken accordingly. That is the point number 2. So the question of conspiracy, the question of criminal conspiracy, I think at this juncture he cannot just jump to a conclusion. Umla ban supoi bika conclusion kumta. Namar ba kumo pi Katakan inspection juga kadangnya tisha. So let him go, let him complete, and then submit the report. Why not? Ni accept. Ni pediang sekolah ladu Dr. Mukul Sangma belong veteran politician but ulade ex chief minister jong megala but mauru ubalatip bahai kini ke berkhoi during his tenure as chief minister NGT has come down heavily hakaba khang sundon ya kaneka mining activities hapok jela jongi barokawi. I think he is the best person. He knows better than anybody else, and he has been in the government. He led the government for not less than 8 years, so he knows better. Therefore, I would suggest our honorable leader of opposition to kindly submit the report. Don't just talk to the press. Don't just give statement. Submit the report, and please don't make allegation just for the sake of allegation. Let him come up with the report, and then from the government we will make sure that action is taken accordingly.